everybody, welcome back. I was in the local Target today picking up, trying to finish Christmas, and saw this. Of course, I always go to the card section, although I'm not expecting to find really anything, and I didn't find much of anything. 2020 Topps Update is all they had in stock. It was that or Pokemon. So I did get this big fat Target exclusive box. There's a ton of packs in there. 16 packs, 256 cards. I'm not going to read every player's name off of all these cards, so this is not going to be as long a break as you're fearing as you see this. As you hear me read that number. Oops, sorry. Just sent everybody flying. What we are going to do is take a look at any of this stuff that I get. Wish I was easier to spot variations. There may be some of those, one of those. But let's see what we get. I am going to fly through this though, because I really don't. It's been a really long day. I definitely want to open these, but I do not want to read 256 player names. And I don't think you want to hear me do it either. So let's see if I can get a clean pack. Not that one. That one. Alright, let's roll. Let's see what it takes to get to the, how far down the goodies are. Shripkin. Decade's Best, Crew. The Derek Jeter. What do you call this? I'm so tired today. God, I'm probably going to say something really stupid. Oh, what is this? Oh my God, oh my God. I can't remember. I'll think of it later. Is that it? Turkey Red. Is that right? Even though it's gray, that's Turkey Red. Oh my gosh. What is happening? Fix it, Jesus, fix it. I'm tearing everything up. Start off with Cabrera twice. That's funny. What is that? Inaugural season. Oh, I couldn't read what that was. Oh, got a gold Solak. Kirilloff, like a old reprint. What year was this? Like 89, 88 or 89, I think. Acuna, which I think look for exclusive Acuna highlights. Nolan Ryan. So there was a lot more happening in that pack. Faux Shizzy. Alright. That's definitely more fun. There's no guaranteed hit here. Oh my gosh, these packs are killing me. I'm trying to open one cleanly for my pack collector friends. And they're not working with me at all. Alright. Numbers game, Nolan Ryan. Bauer, which Bauer is this? Trevor Bauer. And that's it. Some of them you get a couple of things, and others just two. These packs are killing me. There's Mike Trout. And there's Mike Trout. What else do we have? Yelich reprint. Griffey, nice. I wonder if there are variations. I told y'all I was tired of any variations of the Turkey Red cards. That would be a sweet addition. Oh, I may have it. Let me be really gentle and don't eat the way. Easy. Got it. Hey. Alright, now I can tear them all up. There's a Keno rookie. Is this really still his rookie? Well, yeah, I guess so. Still 2020 product. There's Gavin Lux. Simeon. Nice. There's Bo Bichette. That was a sweet pack. Alright, let's rip on. Of course, now, I don't care. This pack just opened up completely cleanly. I will slap the fire out of you, Topps. How dare. Road. Alright. Oh, a chrome Johnny Bench. So, yeah, there's my answer. There is a parallel version, and you know what? If I'm not mistaken, there's refractor versions of the chrome. Probably tough as heck to pull, but there's Willie Stargell. But yeah, it's funny, when I said it, I had forgotten about the chrome, obviously. But in my mind, I was picturing were there other, like, colors for the border, because I think that would be cool. Bellinger. Third, Mike Trout. Active leaders, that one. I don't think any of those are variation, but that's crazy that there's 3 different Mike Trouts already. There's one of the Acuna highlights. Dale Murphy. Mr. Ripken. And Griffey. There at the end. Tatis Jr. Tom Seaver. There was Sky Bolt. I love that name. Sky Bolt. Decade's Best Ichiro and Brooks Robinson. Sorry, that card felt oddly thick. Another Mike Trout. Oh, we've already seen that one. Got another turkey red chrome. Garrett Cole. A gold Joel Kuhnel. Acuna highlight. Nice. Alvarez rookie turkey red. That was a nice pack too. Alright. Mike Trout, very nice. Sweet. Got a PC hit. Mike Piazza. Now I need this in chrome. And if it exists, the chrome refractor, which I'm pretty sure it does. I don't think I've ever pulled one. That card looks really good too. It's a good pose. I like that they have him in his Dodgers uniform. Acuna. Gavin Lux. Nice. So 2 really decent turkey red rookies. Alright, 4 packs. Hang in there. Oops, shiny rainbow foil of Starlin Castro. Those sure look good. There's Garrett Cole non-chrome. Andre Dawson, Johnny Bench. Alright, last 2. Decade's Best, Bob Gibson, Willie McCovey. Casey Mize and Ozzie Albies. And that is it. It's pretty good value for the money. $39 at Target. Yeah, I mean, it's a lot of cards. If you're working towards a set, then I mean, you can't hardly beat it. Lots going on, plenty of value, and you know, I didn't even look at all the regular cards. I could have variations. Definitely should have some better rookies in there. So, pretty cool. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.